Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like our content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon so that you'll get the notification whenever I upload a new video. So without any delay, let's start today's topic. Hello and welcome everyone. Today in this part I am going to explain you altitude and median of a triangle. Now, what is altitude? Altitude means if a perpendicular line is drawn from a vertex to its opposite side, then the line segment is called its altitude. Suppose in a triangle ABC, from the vertex A, if a perpendicular line is drawn to its opposite side BC such that it meets the side BC at the point D. Here AD is perpendicular to BC, then AD is called its altitude. It is also called as height of the triangle. Height of the triangle. So, since there are three vertex or vertices in a triangle, so you can draw three altitude of a triangle. So, here BE, CF and AD are three altitude which intersect at a point. This point is called as orthocenter. Orthocenter. So, just a recap, if a perpendicular line is drawn from a vertex to its opposite side, then the line segment is called as altitude. A triangle has three altitude and the point where all the altitude intersect each other is called its orthocenter. Next is median. In a triangle, if a line is drawn from a vertex to its opposite side such that it bisects the opposite side, then the line segment is called as its median. In fact, if you say, so here A in triangle ABC, if a line segment is drawn from the vertex A to its opposite side BC such that it bisects the side BC into two equal parts, then line segment AD is called its median. So this is the basic difference with the altitude. Altitude will be perpendicular. It may or may not bisect the side, but median, it always bisects the opposite side. So we can draw three medians in a triangle. So here AD, BE and CF are three median, and here BD equals to DC, AE equals to EC, AF equals to FD. So there are three median and these three median intersect at a point. This is represented by G and G is called centroid of the triangle. This is also known as the center of mass. In physics, we refer to this point as the center of mass. Now, centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. That means AG is to GD equals to 2:1. BG is to GE. BG is to GE equals to 2:1, and CG is to GF equals to 2:1. Now we understand the difference between altitude and median in case of our three triangles, that is scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Now in scalene triangle where all sides are of different length, so we'll get 3 medians and 3 altitude. 3 medians and 3 altitude. All the altitude and medians are different here. So we get 3 altitude and 3 medians. In case of an isosceles triangle, suppose ABC is an isosceles triangle where AB equals to BC, AB equals to BC, then if you draw a perpendicular from the vertex A to BC, that means if you draw a perpendicular line from the vertex joining the equal side to its opposite side. Suppose AD is perpendicular to DC, then in this case AD is altitude as well as the median and altitude. But if you draw a perpendicular from B, then you will get different altitude and different median. So here, in case of an isosceles triangle, one altitude and one median is the same line, and you will get two different median and altitude. And where these two median and altitude are same, if you draw a median or altitude from a vertex joining the equal side. Now A is the vertex which is joining the equal side AB and AC. Then the median drawn from the vertex A to its opposite side is median as well as the altitude. Now in case of an equilateral triangle, suppose ABC is an equilateral triangle, AB equals to BC equals to CA. Now in case of an equilateral triangle, all the 3 altitude and all the 3 median coincides with each other. That means here if you draw AD is perpendicular to DC, then it bisects the side BC into 2 parts, BD equals to DC. Then you can say AD is median and altitude. So in case of an equilateral triangle, all the 3 medians, all the 3 medians are altitude. That means this median and altitude coincides with each other. So we learn about altitude and median.